A lot of people are talking about AI agents, cloud workflows, and automation tool right now. But one thing many beginners struggle with is connecting real business tools like Google Sheet, Google Calendar securely with n8n. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up Google Auth for self-hosted n8n using Google Cloud Console. So once this setup is completed, you will be able to build a real AI automation using Google Sheet, Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Drive. This is one of the most important fundamental setup for building production-ready n8n workflows. I will explain in the beginner-friendly way. These steps are very important for anyone who wants to build AI workflows, automation. So we need to get, irrespective of any platform, whether you're using n8n or cloud agents or codecs, you need to get Google Auth in n8n or any agent. So before connecting Google Sheet or Google Calendar or Google Drive, let's take for the n8n, we must securely authorize n8n to access our Google account. So we'll go right on the Google website and we'll see how to connect securely. So step one is we have to open the console.cloud.google.com and log in with your Google account. So if you don't have Gmail account, you have to create the Gmail account. Otherwise, you can log with if you have existing account, you use that one. So now log into the console.cloud.google.com. Enter. I'm already logged in. So you will get something dashboard like this, and you click here API and services. So you can see all the dashboard like this. And here I have an existing project like an n8n project. So click here and you can see new project. So you give the new project name. So we'll go back to our slide 2, and we already clicked the project from the drop down, and now we click the new project and we enter the project name. So take this project name, paste it here, and if you have organization you can select, otherwise you click create. So here it is creating project. So now select the project. So now you have to enable the services and you have credential here on the left side. So I click credentials here. So you can see this page, and here you have create credential. Click here. So we are doing for OAuth client ID. So request user consent, so your app can access the user data. So we can click this one. So it is saying that to create an auth client, you must first configure your consent screen. So here is the screen. Here is the button. Click here. Get started. What it is saying, Google Auth platform not configured yet. Get started. Configure your application identity and management credential for calling Google API. So click get started. Give the app name. So whatever the app name you are creating, like I'm creating on n8n. So go to our sheet and check that one. Go to our PPT and check what I put. So we will put that same name. So we can give something like app name, like _ app. You can give app user support email. So I'm using my existing email that I'm connected with that one. So click next. So only there are two audience, internal and external. So we need external audience available to any test user with Google account. So we'll select this external. So I'm choosing external and clicking next. And after that we have contact information. Give the email, same email I'm giving you. I'm giving it. Click next. Then read. If you want to read, you can read the agreement and click continue and create. So here we have create auth client. You haven't configured any OAuth client for this project yet. So click this one and will start doing entering information. So after clicking the create OAuth client, so the screen will look like this, but you are going to add this URL. So you get this URL from the n8n. So here I'm on n8n page application. So you can select here from here. It's already connected. I connected in the on, but you can get this URL. You see this one? Copy this URL. Go back here and put it here and save, and then it will generate a client secret ID. So here is the client. Here I have a client ID. Copy this one, and I have already saved my client secret. So take this one and come here in n8n. Come here and paste the client ID here and the client secret and click save. And after that, what will happen now? After that, you come here. So what it is saying that? So it is saying that I have to update my n8n. So I will update later on. So what I will do here, come to credential, come here Google Sheet, Google credential, and then sign in with, already I'm signing in with. So if you're not signed in, then you will get something window like this. You select here and it will give you something like that, because both my account n8n and as well as the Google account, both are my own account. So it is saying that okay, somebody is trying to verify this app. So I'm ignoring this message and I'm going to my website and I'm clicking continue and I'm clicking continue. So it is connected successfully. So now come back here and check. So this is our we have finally set up our credential with Google Auth. Now we can able to see our Google Sheet, our Google Calendar, Gmail, everything in our n8n workflows. So here my workflow sample workflow. So this is my workflow. Let me expand this one. So this is AI agent. If you want AI agent, you type here AI agent. I will go through detail. I will explain you in the next video about this one. So AI agent. So you can, when you click this one, you get this one. So similarly, you can get the chat and you get the model API, open API model also, all this thing. So now it's already I have a simple the application simple workflow with open AI and memory, and I have a Google Sheet. So if you click here Google Sheet, it's connected to my Google Sheet of home, buy, sell. So if you come here and if you see, like, go to Gmail, you have sheets here, my sheet. So I have all the sheets available. This is my home by Google Sheet. When I click here, you can see this is a temporary, like a sample sheet. In this one, we have row 1, row 2, row 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chat with my flow. So come here. So here you can see this one. When I click, you can see all my sheets. All my sheets that is available here. Here you can see all my sheets. So home by LinkedIn, auto post, and all those sheets here you can see all the sheets. Last sheet is my chatbot sheet. So you can see all this. So you can select any sheet. So I selected home by sheet, and then from this we have, suppose I selected this one, which one, okay, open this one. In this one we have sheet 1, sheet 2. So we have sheet 1. So we are selecting sheet 1 only, or we can select sheet 2 also. So first we'll select from sheet 1. So we already selected sheet 1, and now come here is the chat. So I'm just asking the question that get me this record, second record with the name Smith. So I'm sending the chat, get me the second record from the sheet, sheet. So click here. When I click here, you can see the flow here. So I'm clicking here and you can see the message. So it is going here, it is checking with this one, and it's went here and it is generating the message. So it executed successfully. You can see that one. Let me expand this one. So the second record from the sheet is as follows. So you see it's all property name, home, by, property, cell, property. This one is single, location, near, budget. Our budget is 600. Second record, home needs 4 beds, name, phone number, all the detailed information, email, everything. So this is a sample example. Suppose if you develop a sample application like on your website. So you have a real estate website, and on that one you have a chatbot, and in the chatbot the user come and type something, this question like this, I want to see the Smith record or something like that. So it will connect to this workspace or automation workspace, here workspace, and it will go to the my Google Sheet and collect the information and provide it me on the web chat. So here if you see what I did, if you see here in the setting, you can see this one, you have to give the prompt whatever the user enter into the prompt, and we are giving here. And what I did is I put a simple message, a simple system message, but you have to give very good prompt. So what I said, you are a helpful assistant. When user ask get me data, you should get data from the Google Sheet. I provided the sheet name and get first column data only. I mean like first column data. I mean I'm but it is giving me all the data. And only first row, I said that only first row. So let's see if I ask second row, it will work or not. So let me check again. So I said first record, so I give me the fourth record. So let me see will it provide fourth record or not. So here it's going there, it is reading this one, it's already read. Okay, fourth record. So it is giving me only first record. So let me change it to prompt when user asks get me data, you should get data from the Google Sheet. Yeah, that's it. Let's see, copy over, type it, get me 4 record from sheet. Since I changed the prompt, system prompt, so it should collect the second record, I mean like any record. So it is going here, it's going to sheet and come back here and generating record, generating answer. So it generated the answer. Okay, so yeah, it went to fourth record. So what is the name of the person? Sami. Okay, come here, 1 2 3 4. So this is the fourth record. Wow. So I will show you how to create all this thing. Is simple workspace in n8n, and then how to connect to chatbot also. That is like little complicated, but this is the flow, how to create a flow in the next video. Thank you.